Hi everyone, at Digital Colmer here. Today I'm going to talk about AWS Skill Builder. Now, if you're looking to get certified or you simply want to just improve your AWS knowledge, then Skill Builder is a great place to start. Let's segue to a little bit of a demonstration. So here we are on my favorite search engine. I'm just going to search for AWS Skill Builder and click on the first link. Now, a common use case for using Skill Builder, like I said, is for certifications. So let's look at the front page. Let's scroll down. And we can see we can learn by cloud role. So a very popular certification is the Certified Solution Architect Associate. So we can click on this link and we can see the types of resources it's going to give us. And so what we can see here, we can see that we have a compute services overview, fundamental course, it's a digital course, and it's paid, which means you'll need a Skill Builder subscription. However, if you scroll further down, you'll see that there's a Solutions Architect Learning Plan, which is free, so no Skill Builder subscription required, and it has 64 hours. So there's a combination of both paid and free material on Skill Builder. But you can see here that if you were to work through these various modules, it will give you a lot of what you need for the Solution Architect Associate, particularly that Solution Architect Learning Plan. If we scroll on further down, we'll see we've got similar material for developers, for DevOps engineering, for cloud operations. Wonderful. So I really hope you enjoyed that very, very short, sweet demo. So an easy way to get started with Skill Builder. Of course, you can sign up for free, and many courses on Skill Builder are free, but be aware that there are paid options there too. If you do want to pay, it's $29 USD a month to get that individual subscription, or you can work with your organization on a team subscription. So enjoy, and I hope this helped. I really hope this helps you get a little bit closer to your certification. Digital Colmer, signing off.